E98?
Yeah.
Here's E98.
That one? Oh, this one.
Hey! Oh my goodness. Boing. Alright, chill. Look how rugged that is. Wow. Crazy times right now. Crazy times. They're supposed to clean the cars, but you never know. What's good, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new vlog. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay here, and we got Dusty Montefarius in the building. Oh my gosh. Dude, we freaking rented a Jeep. We also got screwed for this rental. Yep. $1,000 to rent this car right here.
That's nonsense.
Oh my God. We're gonna make sure we get the most use out of this thing as possible, okay? This is our first time actually experiencing this Jeep life. You know, there's some like roof things you could take off in this. We're gonna go off-roading. Oh my goodness.
Welcome home.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, holy sh**.
How do you feel?
Like I'm in paradise. I can't even believe we're in Hawaii like this.
It doesn't feel real right now. So, cat's out the bag, guys. We are in Hawaii, specifically island of Oahu in Waikiki. Guys, soak this in with us right now. Oh my goodness. Don't drop the phone, don't drop the phone. Dude. Right across from us, we have the beach. Beach is looking extra saucy right now. Boom, let me get that zoom in. Look at that. Nice and sunny outside. Feel the rays. Soak it in, Dustin. Soak it in.
This is fun.
Dustin left his freaking water thing inside the airplane. And keep in mind, this water bottle that he had was like probably twice the size of this. It was like this big, this wide.
It was a 64-ounce Nike. Do you think if I call the plane? No.
Dude, no, just get a new bottle.
Yeah, you're right.
If you guys are ready for these Hawaii adventures, Hawaii vlogs, make sure you smash the like button on this video. I'm gonna try to vlog every single day for you guys. We're out here for about a week, so that's like six or seven aloha vlogs for you guys. So I'm ready. Dustin's ready.
Oh, hell yeah.
Dustin just got a new job, so we're trying to enjoy this vacation before before he gets to work. But yeah, it's just us two. We invited some other homies, but unfortunately they couldn't make it. Boom! This Jeep is cool and all, but it's missing a backup camera. It's using this aux cord from like 1996. What? It works? Dang, okay, never mind, I take that back. We're hungry right now. We're gonna go grab some food. Dustin hasn't had poke from here. He's had it in California, but the thing is the tuna out here is just so much more fresh. I think in California they freeze it and then you eat it after it gets frozen, so it's not as fresh. So we're gonna pop Dustin's fresh poke cherry today. If you guys have never been to Hawaii before and you guys want to try that fresh poke, one of the easiest places to get it from is Foodland. This is basically like their Safeway. They have super fresh poke out here. So I'm gonna show you guys the assortment in a second, and then we're gonna grab our little bowls, probably head back to the crib and eat it up. So this is the assortment, all of them super fresh, all different flavors. Oh my goodness. Oh, my mouth is watering right now. Jesus. All right, you guys, we got the poke bowl right here. It has rice underneath. Mukbang. Ooh. Bomb. It's different, right?
It's good.
travel hack, if you guys are ever on vacation, always hit up a Costco. You could get water, you could get snacks, you could get anything you need for a really good price if you have a Costco membership. So we're gonna stock up real quick. Should we get one of those? Oh, we'll get one of those. Dude, we should get a tent. It's only 40 bucks. Look at that thing.
Yeah, but what the f we're gonna take that home?
Comment down below, what is your favorite place to go travel-wise? For me, growing up, my family and I always came to Hawaii at least once a year. If not, we went somewhere else. Comment down below, what is your favorite place to travel? I can't really think of too many places to travel in the US. But give me some ideas. Maybe let me know why you guys like traveling there.
When I was little, we would go to Hawaii. So I came to like, I've done all the islands already.
I feel like it's the default thing to like...
It's like the most...
But like, where else in the US do people go?
New York.
That is kind of lit.
This is pretty dope.
Oh, we're getting a little off track, but that is pretty cool. Quick story time. When I was a kid, I was at Costco with one of my uncles, and he ran over my foot with the cart like that. Boom. I started crying. I was being a little bit... Basically, the only way that I was gonna let it slide is if he bought me a bag of Doritos. So he bought that for me. I stopped crying, and everything was okay. The Costco here is so chill. Back at home, bro, this thing would be crazy. Look at the checkout line. There's like barely any people. It's amazing. Yo, I actually like vlogging with this iPhone. It's kind of lit.
It's easier.
It's so much easier. If you guys want to start a YouTube channel and you've been waiting to get a camera, don't wait. If you have an iPhone or a smartphone, this is the move right here. A lot of you guys tell me that you can't even notice the difference between the real camera and this camera, so that's pretty dope. Update, we're at Target right now. Dustin and I are having a little debate here. So basically, we're in the shampoo section, body wash section. This says Dove Nourishing Body Wash.
Yes.
Body wash.
Body.
For your body.
Body. Not your head.
But your boy uses body wash for shampoo also, you know? So comment down below, is it chill to do that, or do you need shampoo too? Because growing up, if I had body wash, I'm using that as shampoo, you know?
You need shampoo for your hair. Body wash is for your body.
But
Isn't
isn't your head a part of your body?
Technically, yes, but it's your hair. It's for your hair.
Comment down below. Are you guys part of the body wash only, you know, body wash for everything? Or do you have to have it separate, you know what I mean? Even if it was shampoo, it would all be like body wash for me.
Where is the shampoo?
We're in the milk section now, bro. We're far from it. Guys, we are about to go on a little dip outside in the water because it looks so freaking nice right now. It's maybe like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. We're gonna get some floaties, but I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to this new GoPro that I got, GoPro Hero 9. So this I'll be able to take in the water, have a little grip too, so you guys will be getting some beach footage. So we're gonna transfer that right now. Can you guys see me? Hello? Hello? Hi? This is my first time using this GoPro, so hopefully everything is good. Audio might sound a little bit different compared to the iPhone, but yeah. You ready for this trip, dude? You ready to go in this water?
I like turtles.
Summertime in the LBC. Let me hear you say.
Oh, this footage is...
It's laggy.
It is laggy. It is laggy.
I think the display is like that, but it's not actually like that.
How's it looking in the backside?
It's fine.
Oh, it's like wide angle-ish?
Yeah.
That's kind of cool.
Peep the drip. Peep the outfit. Come on, son. Come on, son. We look like some weirdos. And if you guys saw my GoPro mount, it's that yellow thing that I was sticking in his face. I'm carrying this thing around. We just got our floaties. If you want some dope floaties, you go to the ABC store. There's literally one ABC store at every single corner. And you get these ones right here. They're like $8. You pay $1 to get it filled up. Come with cup holders, come with handles. These things are super nice for the water, and I would highly recommend it. Going into the ocean, I don't even know if this GoPro is waterproof, but I'm assuming it is. Oh, ooh, it's warm. How is it, Dustin?
Good.
Chilling? Let's see. Sit down here. Oh yeah. They're doing a little bit of construction over here, so Got some sand going on. This is what I'm talking about, guys. If you ever end up having some extra money laying around, you know, you're saving money or whatever, travel with your friends. That's one piece of advice. If you guys haven't traveled yet, travel to a new spot. You'll come back so much more refreshed and your mind will just be completely different. Peep the water shoes though. Oh my. Yo, this is fire. Should I dip this in the water? What was that, dude?
I tried to jump.
Let's hope this camera is waterproof. Let's find out. Dude, is it waterproof? Yeah, I think it is.
I hope so.
So there's this wall right here. And on the other side, that's where you have the real ocean. This is not really the ocean. It's just blocked off.
Oh yeah, there's crabs right there.
Where?
In that hole.
There's crabs in there?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
You don't see him moving?
Are you sure? Oh, there is a crab. Whoa, do you guys see the crab?
Dude, there's a big ass one coming.
Watch. Oh, yep, there's a crab in there. Ew, this feels weird.
That's nasty.
Dude, what the heck? That feels disgusting. Get off the wall! We're on. So beautiful. So beautiful out here. Glad you guys could enjoy it with us.
Dude, the song's burning my eyes.
Let's do the open your eyes under the water challenge. The longest you can keep your eyes open under the water wins.
Goggles on?
No goggles. This is so cool. If you guys have been to Hawaii before and you want to throw us some recommendations, let us know. We're always open to some recommendations. Food, hikes, all that good stuff. We're hitting up everything this week, all right? So far, review on this GoPro. This thing is trash. Garbage. There'd be times where I'm like, okay, I need to record this clip and the screen just goes black. For no reason, it just freezes. And this thing's brand new. I just opened it the other day. So the cool thing for us is whenever we travel to Hawaii, the normal time that we're used to waking up, let's say if it's 8 o'clock, is going to be 3 hours ahead of this time. So if we usually get up at 8, we're gonna end up getting up at 5 this time normally. So it's not like you miss anything. You actually get up a lot earlier than usual. You want some crabs? Oh, okay. We'll save those crabs for later. Yo, there's some crabs on here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right there. Right there? Right there. So every time I come here,
Is he sitting down?
he usually sits down on the
I know what you're
outside.
talking about.
There's a
And
guy.
He has a cup of coffee, right?
Yeah, there's a
Yeah.
guy that looks just like Elvis, and he's always posted up at this McDonald's ever since I was a kid. Literally all the time. He would just hang out here at night. So I was telling Dustin, bro, we're probably gonna see him this trip.
All bad.
Oh, bad, bro. So I ordered this drink. It's a pineapple juice. Not gonna lie, it's pretty fire. How much do you think this pineapple juice is? This little cup right here. Okay, majority was ice. Little pineapple slice in here. I'm guessing $8.
Pineapple juice?
Pineapple juice. What do you think? What's your guess? When we get the receipt.
$8. I say like $10.
Update, it was $5. $5. And we ordered more. We're about to spend like $15 on pineapple juice. Jesus.
We're on vacation.
That's true. Nachos just came in. We got some grilled chicken nachos. Just some finger food, some light. We also got some hot wings. Pineapple juice just landed, $5. Another pineapple juice just landed, $5.
Fresh squeeze. Let's see.
Let's see what you think. Pretty good?
Yeah.
$5 good? Guys, we found Elvis. We found Elvis Presley. He's right there. Focus. Bro, it's not focusing. He's literally right there. Alright you guys, as you guys can see, we found Elvis. That's gonna conclude this vlog today. Drop a comment down below. What do you think Elvis does? Because he's been there since I was a kid. And he's literally always at that corner. So comment down below what you guys think. We'll see you guys very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay and Dusty. And we're out. Deuces.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, gotta bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa, too bad was you know they roll.